Hundreds of dodgy-box users have received letters threatening legal action from Sky if they fail to sign a settlement within days, committing to never use an illegal streaming service again. Around 200 dodgy-box users from across Ireland received the letters, with most of those based in County Wexford. The letters asked users to sign a settlement within 14 days, including an undertaking to never again subscribe to an illegal IPTV service. Failure to sign the settlement would mean Sky considering the matter unresolved. The media giant could then potentially issue a legal claim for breach of copyright. By signing the document, you are making a legally binding promise that you will stop all involvement with IPTV and never use an IPTV service again, the letter said. If you sign the document and keep this promise going forwards, Sky will consider the matter resolved. The letters, seen by independent.ie, also warned that other Irish media copyright owners, including LOITV, LOITV, GAA and Premier Sports, supported the actions being taken by Sky. A Sky spokesman confirmed it had issued a first wave of cease and desist letters to people who had paid for an unlawful subscription to the illegal IPTV Is Easy service. Sky obtained the names and addresses of 304 dodgy-box subscribers to the service in March, following the civil prosecution of Wexford-based David Dunbar, who operated it. For more on this and other stories, you can read The Irish Independent.